everyone, welcome back. Today, right now, I am on my way to my friend Gabby's house because she asked me to help her make over her bedroom. And so I'm so excited. I'm on my way, I'm about to leave, and I'm just gonna do like a walkthrough of her house, or not her house, her bedroom. I'm gonna take some measurements. I'm gonna maybe sketch out a few things. So I know already that she wants more organization and more storage and a more defined style. So let's head on over there. Hello.
Hi.
This is my friend Gabby.
Hi.
And this is her room. So we just did a walkthrough, and this room is tiny. Like, she said it used to be a nursery. So it was made for a baby, and we're not babies anymore.
No.
So she wants a grown-up room. So that's what we're gonna do, and I will show you just an overall of it. So I am standing in front of the door, and this is what you see when you first come in. On this side is just a bookshelf that she wants to keep, and then the closet here, which needs a lot of help. Just storage bins and drawers, that's really much it. And then the bedroom, the bed, the window and the bed. And then we turn around.
I'm just gonna move.
And then this is clothes drawer? Clothing?
Yeah. All my clothes are in there.
Okay. And then she has like a bunch of like stationery, makeup, and then like these really cool picture grids.
Wall grids, yeah.
Wall grids, which I think are really cool. And then a mirror, and then the door. Really tiny, but we can do it. All right, I'm home now, and since we did a walkthrough, I'm gonna just sit down here and sketch out a few ideas for each wall of the room. And I have all of my notes here. All of my notes. Like this. While I was there, I also did a really, really rough draft of the overall layout. It's really small. It's an 8.5 by 10 bedroom. That's tiny. She's keeping the dresser and the mirror and the bookshelf, but she wants a new bed. Room's definitely not big enough for more than just a twin, but that's fine. I'm gonna sit down. I have my tools. I have some paper. I have my colored pencils. I have some markers, triangles, and my ruler. That's all I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna freehand everything. Good morning! So it's the next day, and I'm gonna go pick up Gabby, then we're gonna go to Home Depot, and then we are going to Ikea! Hello! We just finished up at Home Depot, and we got paint.
That one.
Okay, so her walls are cut in half, and this is the bottom half. Well, it's closest. This is Euro Gray by Behr, and her top half is currently pink. So we picked out Angel Feather. It looks like this, and they look really pretty together. A nice neutral. We got a paint and primer because there's a mural on a wall, and
it'll cover it better.
Yes. So now we are on the way to Ikea.
Oh, I'm so excited. I love Ikea.
So now we are back at Gabby's house.
Oh, hello.
I did not film anything in Ikea, so we're gonna paint today. And just even that is gonna make it look so much bigger than it is. So we're gonna take everything off the walls, and then probably like the little things are gonna come out of the room. And then we're gonna tape, and then we're gonna paint. You're doing great.
Thanks.
Look how cute this mural is. After this, it's gonna be bye-bye. Bye. Wait, you ready? Ready? Bye-bye, birdies.
Bye, bird. Stop. Stop it right now. Oh my god.
Hello. You gonna help us paint? Hmm? I need my water.
I really never lets me paint.
Why?
Because.
Am I gonna learn why?
No.
So we're done with the painting.
Well, no, not even.
Oh wait, just kidding.
You lied.
We have one more spot.
One spot
right
that
there
we can't reach.
that we can't reach because the bed is in the way. This bed is short enough that it doesn't touch the painted part.
It is.
And same as this drawer that you probably saw us standing on earlier. to paint the top of this wall. So we're just gonna push this bed back. The bed was along this wall, so we're just gonna push it back. And then we're gonna be able to get the stool here and then paint this. Okay, it looks so much better. Gabby, do you like it?
I love it.
Good.
Love it. It just looks so much better.
We picked a good color. It covered up really nice. We really only did like a coat and a half.
A coat and a half. Yeah.
'Cause-
We just did some touch-ups, but
Yeah.
that was it, really.
But it looks good. It was fun. It was a long day.
Yeah. Very long.
Almost 12 hours, right? Yeah.
Basically.
Pretty much. I'll
Alright.
see you in 5
5
days.
days.
Good morning. I'm very cold. It's about 23 degrees outside. It's about 8:30 Tuesday morning. And I am on my way to Gabby's house so we can finish up her bedroom makeover. So I'm on my way over right now and we are going to put everything together that we got from Ikea, and I'm going to do a big reveal with Gabby. Alright, so everything is put up on the walls now, and so I just kicked Gabby out, and now I'm going to decorate this all up and then have a big reveal. 3. Open your eyes. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, I love it! Oh my god!
And that's it for this video.
Oh, I love it.
I had so much fun with this room. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Oh my god.